Hey guys, Mike from Micro Outdoors, and today we're going to be installing some seat covers I ordered off Amazon from Super Covers. And this is going to be going in my 2022 Ford F-150, and it's going to be for the front and the back seat. Reached out to the company, and they were pretty quick on the reply, so that right there made me pick them over other sellers on Amazon. So put in my order, it shipped. Amazon Prime, a couple days later, shows up and got the instruction manual, which is pretty impressive, pretty clear, precise. They have a QR code to a YouTube video on the installation, along with the address you can type in if you can't do the QR code. And then the instructions look pretty straightforward. Good English. It doesn't even look like it's been translated. It looks pretty solid as far as English. Didn't see any weird spellings or any weird instructions. And like I said, their instruction book here is pretty impressive, very well constructed, and hopefully lines up with what I need to do. In the package, you'll see it has the two front seats, the center console there, and then the back seats with the split bench. So I actually unboxed them, and they are sitting out here in the sun, kind of getting a little heat bath so they can stretch out and get some of the wrinkles out from it being packaged. But material looks pretty good. Kind of impressed how good they look. They feel. They're pretty thick, soft at the same time. They've got a pretty good padding on the back, so I can see these lasting quite a while. Description says they're supposed to hold up to spills and most everything that you can throw at it. So we'll also throw two 70-pound plus dogs at it and see how it holds up to dog paws. So let me get this going, and we'll get the install started, and I'll be back in a second. All right, got the front driver's seat done, and looks pretty good. So I followed the YouTube video, and it is pretty much dead on. There's nothing in that you will run into that the video does not cover. However, I did notice one thing. The instructions do not tell you how to install the headrest, and the video skips over it fairly quickly. So I had to kind of look at it and determine which way was the front, which was the back. Put it on wrong the first time. Had to take it off, reverse it. So just look at the curves here, and you'll know this is the front. Obviously there's no curve in the back, so that's how you know which is the front and back. And then there's two Velcro pieces that will tie together. Then the back flap comes up, and then the front flap will Velcro on the back flap. That's different from the video as well. But other than that, looks pretty good. It's pretty darn hot outside right now. Like I said, it's probably about 90 degrees, and I jumped up in there and sat there for a bit, and any seat's going to be hot, doesn't matter. But I wasn't dying like full leather seats, so I think the ventilation is going to work out pretty good. So let me get some others done, and I'll get back to you shortly. All right, got the front seats done. Looking really good. Hopefully you can see that. And that console looks pretty good too. So overall, it's fairly easy install. Nothing too hard. There has been one specific point underneath the seats. I try to get video, but it's too tight up in there. But the clips where the OEM seats connect for the clips for the bungees, there's an actual Christmas tree clip, so you can unclip that and then unclip the stock seat cover and then run these bungees to that clip and then put the Christmas tree plastic plug back up in there. So not a big deal, but you'll see it when you do it. And overall, looking pretty good. All right. Got a little dark on me here, but got the back seat done, and wow, talk about easy. That took maybe all of about 15 minutes to do the whole back seat, as opposed to 15 minutes for each. So I would highly recommend these covers. Very good looking, very cool. And yeah, they look sharp. All right, guys, appreciate it. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will get to it as I answer every comment that's left. Thanks, guys. Catch y'all soon.